It is January 2026. The game has reset. Around you, students are making loud declarations. I will study harder. I will get straight A's. They are relying on hope and temporary motivation. They are acting like Class D. If you want to ace this year, to truly dominate your exams without burning out, you must stop thinking like a student and start thinking like a mastermind. You need to operate with the cold, logical precision of Kiyotaka Ayanokōji. School is not a place for learning. It is a system, and systems can be manipulated. This is the White Room Protocol for your 2026 school year. Phase 1. The Class D Audit, Ruthless Self-Assessment. Ayanokōji never acts without knowing his starting position. Before you start studying for 2026, you must perform a ruthless, emotionless audit of 2025. Strip the ego. Do not make excuses like, the teacher was bad, or I was tired. Look at your grades. Where are you weak? Is it math? Is it essay structure? Identify the defects. In the White Room, a defect is eliminated. What is your defect? Is it your phone addiction? Is it sleeping at 2 a.m.? Identify the one variable that ruined your performance last year. Set the target. Ayanokōji aims for exactly what is required. Do not vaguely aim for good grades. Define the exact percentage you need for your university or next step. Precision is power. Phase 2. Private points, management, resource allocation. In Classroom of the Elite, points are life. In 2026, your private points are your time and mental energy. Most students go bankrupt by February. The 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. Ayanokōji does not waste effort. He knows that 20% of the syllabus leads to 80% of the marks. Do not spend hours making pretty notes, low yield. Spend your points on active recall and past papers, high yield. The energy budget. You have a limited battery. Do not spend your prime energy, usually mornings, on scrolling TikTok. That is throwing points into the trash. Spend your prime energy on your hardest subject. Save the low energy times for administrative tasks or easy homework. Phase 3. Teacher manipulation, decoding the system. To Ayanokōji, people are tools. In your case, the teacher and the examiner are tools. You don't need to be the smartest student. You just need to give them exactly what they want. The mark scheme is the Bible. Stop trying to be creative. The examiner has a checklist. If you write what is on the list, you get the point. If you don't, you fail. Study the mark schemes of past years more than the textbook. Decode their language. Pattern prediction. Exams are lazy. They recycle questions. Analyze the last 5 years of papers. Predict the questions that are likely to appear in 2026 based on the patterns. Ayanokōji wins because he knows the move before it happens. Phase 4. Emotional nullification, the mindset. The biggest threat to your 2026 is not the difficulty of the work. It is your own anxiety. Ayanokōji possesses emotional nullification. Detach from the result. Anxiety comes from fearing the outcome. Focus only on the process. If I execute the protocol, the result is inevitable. The tool mentality. When you feel stress, view it as a signal, a physiological response. Do not let it control your actions. If you fail a test in January, it is not a tragedy. It is data. It is information you can use to adjust your strategy for the final exam.
A new
the
chapter.
biggest threat to your
It's a world of
2026 is
intimidating
not the
textbooks
difficulty
and
of the
brilliant
work.
people who all
It is
seem
your
to
own
know more than
anxiety.
you.
Ayanokōji
It's easy to
possesses
feel like you're
emotional
starting from
nullification.
absolute zero,
Detach
with
from the
nothing
result.
but a blank
Anxiety
notebook and a
comes
head
from
full of
fearing the
anxiety.
outcome. Focus
But
only
what
on the
if you're
process.
not at zero?
If I execute
What if you're
the
already
protocol,
sitting on a
the
gold
result
mine
is
of knowledge?
inevitable.
What if the secret to
tool
getting ahead
mentality.
isn't about
When you feel
learning
stress,
something new,
view it
but
as
about
a signal,
leveraging
a
what you already
physiological
know?
response. Do not
This
let it
is the
control your
information
actions.
dividend
If you
strategy.
fail a test in
The method
January,
used by
it is not a
geniuses like
tragedy.
Senku
It is
Ishigami
data.
to literally
It is
rebuild
information you can
civilization
use
from
to
scratch.
adjust your strategy
And it's how
for the
you are
final
going to
exam.
secure your first big win of the academic year. Step 1.